Right, Woody's bike park with Mr. Stannard. Well, I've got the shock pump here.
Mine's all coil.
No, it's not. No, underneath that, I guarantee you unscrew that, there'll be air underneath it.
So mine are just coil.
We'll have a look in a minute.
Oh, I'm not at the end of the world. I got air on the back for the dampener on the rear one.
Yeah.
So right,
let's go for head run. Yeah, go for it, mate. Don't show me up too much, right?
Oh, I'm going to show you something here.
Oh, this is sick already. Oh, it's a bit slippery. Super slippery. Oh my word. Yeah, you're alright. Whoa! Oh. Oh my god, it's so slippery. Oh, you fucking hell. Luke's gone down the red road. Oh my god. It's so slippery. This place is nuts already. Oh no, he's beating me. Oh, he's had me. Oh my word. There's just jumps everywhere. There's roots there. Oh my word. Mate, that was mental.
That's so nice.
What was the red light?
Who's first, me or you?
You.
Yeah?
Yeah. You'll be faster, mate, I reckon. Oh, it's slick. Oh my word. Oh. Oh my god, it's running well slow. Oh my word. Oh, I can't keep the speed up. Oh my word. Oh, mate, I'm dying. Right.
Ready?
Go. Whoa! Fucking hell. Fuck, this is exhausting. Right, dirt way. Mate, I've just realised, look at that house.
Yeah, huge, isn't it?
That's probably the people that own this place.
Yeah, and it looks over like down through the valley as well.
Class.
It's got a big glass front, you can see it.
Unreal. I want to win the lottery, mate. Right, after you, Luke.
Yeah.
You go first.
Go for the red, yeah?
Go for the red. Are you sticking left straight away?
What on that berm?
Straight on the jump to berm.
Can do for a laugh, shouldn't it?
Oh no. Alright.
This could be something like that.
Dangerous?
Yeah.
Oh no. I went way too close to you. Oh my god. Yeah, mate, that was sick. Oh, this is mental. Oh, that's soft. Right, let's use these as speed rollers. Oh my god. Oh, so good. I've not made any of these jumps. Oh my word! Oh, this is like a roller coaster. Oh my word. Okay. Yeah, same. Mate, I can't make any of those jumps, they're massive.
Yeah, I reckon I can nail them.
I ain't got the balls.
Just try to stick with me.
Yeah, well, I'm trying, mate. Mate, that thing's like a roller coaster, isn't it?
Oh, nice, though.
So smooth. Oh, these roots, mate. Oh.
I don't know why I tried to take that.
We got too close to you on the first one and you flipped mud in my eye. See if I can actually make this fast jump.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it. Right, let's see if I can make this fast jump. Oh my god! I cased that like mad. something in my eye. Yeah, I got something in my eye. It's alright, keep going, I'm alright now. Yeah, all good. Oh, that bit's sick. Oh, the weather's so bad. Oh. Luke is so much faster. Fucking hell. Oh, popped out the top of the bike. Oh, I'm all over the shop.
Realising that you're coming up behind them. It's good though, it's nice and subtle, isn't it? It's like...
It's subtle, but it's still a bow on a mountain bike. Let you go first.
Yeah?
Go for it. Oh my word. It's so slippery. Mate, that was some drift. That was horrendous. Keep going, innit? Yeah, it must split further down.
Well, what goes down?
No, it's not that one. There it is. Granite Garden. Techie bed. Oh my word. This is like ice. Oh. Huh?
Even I had a moment when we were up to this, couldn't see it.
Mate, look how much travel I'm using. Huh?
A lot, innit?
No, that's not.
Yeah, but not really hit anything.
No, that's not enough.
Oh.
Oh, mate.
Yeah.
Which way are you going, right or through the middle?
I was going to the right.
Like
Catching the edge of the...
I would get up further personally. But... Mate, this one's pretty fucking gnarly. Got it. Oh my fucking word. Oh.
I feel like it's too right. I got the confidence with the wetness. So.
I'm sending it.
What, straight down here?
Yep.
Hang on.
If it makes you feel any better, it is fucking sketch, but...
Oh, mate, I've got it.
Come on, Luke. Come on. Alright, that was pretty sketch to be fair.
Back up here, so.
It won't go up the hill, will it? There's a fucking bridge there. That's the black one, I think. Oh my word, what the fuck? Luke! Oh!
Oh, you've had to go up my ass, really?
Yeah, and then it made me go wide, and then I was losing the front end.
Oh, yeah, just kick you.
Mate, that rock garden's gnarly. Oh my god! Nope. Oh, I'm sopping. Love it. Yeah, go for it. Oh, this is mental. Oh my fucking word. This is madness. So slippery. Breaking buds. Woohoo! I don't even care that I'm not making the jumps. It's just funny. Oh. They're really not that hard to play. Just drifting everywhere. Oh my god. Oh my word. That's horrible. This is fucking mad. Oh. Oh. How is anybody getting enough speed to do these jumps? Mate, that was hard. That's definitely got slower, innit? Everything's running really slow, so I think the combination of it being wet, running slow, and me on an e-bike, because a lot of it's over 50 miles an hour, is making it really difficult. Is what it is. Can this rain get any worse? Too late now, isn't it?
These are only like mildly water resistant for only 2 drops, and then
yeah, mine just absorb it. Right, ready when you are, mate. Oh my god! I'm 2-wheel drifting here. And my brakes aren't working. This is fucking madness. Oh my god! Mate, I'm soaked. Oh, the amount of times I almost fell over.
A few close calls.
Hey?
A few close calls.
Mate, it's the fucking wheels are just sliding.
I'm loving it. So much fun. Can't see shit though.
Hey?
Can't see shit.
No. Send it. There's actually a river. Yes. Yes, I made it. I cleared both those jumps. Luke, I cleared both those jumps.
Hey!
I just, like, as I was coming into it, just didn't touch the brakes.
Yeah.
And I fucking cleared both of them.
Having that confidence in it. Just,
It was so fucking smooth. Oh, that's my favourite run in the wet, I think.
My feet are soaked now. That's what I'm saying. Once I then get...
Mate, I've got waterproof socks on, my feet are still soaking.
Now it's got into the socks with the puddles.
Mate, that was class.
That's good fun though, isn't it?
I've got to say, I think that's my favourite one in the wet. Because it's doable still.
No kickstart that.
Oh, I can't really get enough run up to clear this
I've
up.
actually got arches at first.
I'm going to try.
You going to go in front this time?
Yeah, I'll go in front. Whoa! Fucking hell. Oh my god! Oh. Oh my god. Do you see how long I went? Go for it. Oh my god! Oh, this is so slippery. Oh my god! Oh. Oh. This is fucking mental. Oh. I'm just going on for dear life here. Mate, that was awful. That was fucking awful. Oh my fucking word. Like fuck. I'm stuck. Yeah. Oh, my handlebar went into my groin.
I don't think it's filmed it either, I've got it.
No. Mate, look at that though. I didn't go high enough on the bang. It was going to happen, wasn't it? Oh, hang on, what's happened here? That was slow, that hurt like, it's whacked me there. It was going to happen, wasn't it?
Yeah, I should have put you in the back.
Why didn't I go higher on the fucking bam?
It's a weird one because you come into it quite
Yeah. Well, hopefully I haven't broke anything. We're good, we're good. Now we ain't got enough speed for this. I've got nothing left. Cleared it smooth that time. Mate, everything is just sopping. Well, you know what they say, if you don't fall off, you're not trying hard enough.
That's what Liz told you, at least you can go and live now, so.
I tried.
You fell off.
Luke put the pressure on behind me, so blame Luke. Mate, it was that, it's distracting as fuck. It's surprising how just...
It's really hard to like, get your thumb up to there.
Yeah.
That's why I almost stacked it bloody the corner before.
Yeah.
I almost went, I couldn't try and get me down.
It's always on the last run. We said last run of the day. Shouldn't have said it. It is that fucking classic rule, isn't it?
At least that was. We'll call it there. If now we said that, we'll call it rule.
Yeah, and conditions are only getting worse. I bet you're fucking knackered, aren't you? This weather is horrendous.